welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you of how to disable the Reset Character button in Roblox Studio. And if you don't know what it is, I'm just going to show you what it is exactly. But if you know it, you guys can skip a little bit until we start. So anyway, now I'm going to show for the people who don't know about that thing. So I'm now going to click play. And then now that I'm in the game, we just click that Roblox logo here. We just click that. And the reset character button is here. And if you click it, it just shows if you want to reset your character. These things is something like for if you're lost or if you want to redesign your character or something. And it depends what you want. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable it. So anyway, let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. Alright, so now that we're back in the studio, just click StarterGui, click the plus, then adding a local script, not script or a screen GUI, just a local script. So now delete the hello world. Now we're going to say task.wait, 2 brackets, and then make sure you don't add anything inside brackets. Go down, don't add new, go down, then type game.StarterGui colon SetCore. Make sure you have some brackets after the SetCore. Add some speech marks, and then write ResetButtonCallback. Make sure that it's correct, like mine. And then outside speech marks, do a comma, and then write false. So if we say the false, it means that something like disable it. So anyway, let's play to check it out. Alright, now that I'm in the game, now I'm just gonna click the Roblox logo like we did earlier. And you see, we can be able to click it. And this means if we see the reset character button like that, it means that the script's working. And then make sure you put your local script only in StarterGui. Alright, so the leave and the resumes have to stay because these are really important for the game. The reset character, we've disabled it because this is the tutorial that I'm making. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like my video, please make sure to give it a like, and of course if you like my channel, please subscribe for more videos. And this is Pavdi13 leaving.